Miss Cindy here.
Miss Melanie.
It's Crazy Hair Day, as you can see. So we were just gonna do a real quick review of how to do a 1-minute timing and then introduce you to some of the rewards that we thought would be cool for kids when they turn in their orange papers. So, do you wanna time me?
You time me.
Okay, so I'm gonna time her. She's gonna read to me. I'm gonna keep track of her mistakes on my fingers. And once we get to 1 minute, I'll subtract how many words she got from the mistakes on my fingers. Ready? Begin.
Seth had
a
can. What cold Seth make? Thump, thump, thump. Tim had a lid. Thud, thud, thud. Best had a dish. Crash, crash, crash. Again, Seth sad. 1, 2, 3. Thump, thud, crash. Think of things that hit. Then hit this.
Stop. Good job, Melanie. Okay. Okay, so it doesn't matter if you aren't completely accurate, just do the best you can. I usually put my fingers under the table so that they can't see, so that they're not focused on my fingers. So Melanie is making a little notation mark right here because that's where she got. So then I would go 44, 45, 46, 47. She got 4 wrong, so I'd subtract that, and that would be 39. I'd write 39 here. The ideal is that we're gonna be timing 3 times in one setting. So she wrote 39 there, and then I would say, okay, you ready to go again? And then we'd set the timer, go again, see if she could get more words in a minute. And we do that 3 times. Now, if your child's getting frustrated after the first time or the second time, it's supposed to be fun. So take a break, come back to it, maybe do it the next day, or whenever is a good time for you. This doesn't have to be done every day, but the more often you do it, the better they're gonna get at it. So what was the goal for the middle of the year?
What is the goal? 42?
For the end, I think that's the end goal.
The end of the year.
It's like, I think it's 23 for the middle, 20 for the
20.
middle of the year. So, so we want to get them to about 25 by January if we can. And the other thing that some of you have is this is the nonsense words. And some of the kids aren't quite to the 1 minute timing yet. They're still with the nonsense words. In first grade, they need to read the whole word instead of the parts and then the whole. So instead of going
K, we want them to do yick.
Even if they have to make the sounds on their mouth but not say anything, like yick, that still counts. So the goal for this, maybe we should get our goal sheet out. The goal for the nonsense words at the end of the year is over 10. I think it's 10 or 11 in 1 minute that they can read with the whole word read. So we're gonna send this home with the nonsense words if your child needs it. And then what you'll do is put the date, write how many whole words they read. Date, whole words, date, whole words. Once they get all of this filled out, these five squares down here, then they can turn it in for a bead. So here's the beads. There's pony beads here. And we also have beads here. And then they can have some fun beads. And the fun beads, They've got all kinds of different things in there. For every sheet that they turn in, they can have 1 bead. And for every 10 beads they get to make a little backpack hanging decoration. So we're really excited about this, and we're hoping that the Dibbles is going to be amazing in the middle of the year, and just asking for your help with it. So make sure you contact us with any questions that you might have. Thanks.
Thanks.